So next one, we have chapter problem 25 from the sprint round, and it's a geometry problem, which had very low solve rates because geometry is hard. Okay. So first things first, with a geometry problem, the best thing to do is draw a diagram. Just draw as many diagrams as possible. There is no shame in, and I would actually encourage to draw like 20 diagrams if it helps you. Draw as many as possible. I don't think anybody's ever drawn too many diagrams. So we notice that 33, 44, and 55 are just 3, 4, and 5 scaled up. So we actually have a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And so that means that this is the larger acute angle. This one over here. This is the larger acute angle. And so we bisect it. And now we're trying to find the value of, or the length of this segment. And I'm just going to label it for convenience. So we now use something called the angle bisector theorem, which is that AB over AC equals BD over DC. The ratio of this to this is equal to the ratio of this to this. This is very important and is very worth memorizing. So we know that AB over AC is 33 over 55, or 3/5. And BD over BC will let BD be X and DC be 44 minus X. So this equals X over 44 minus X. And then we cross multiply. And then this becomes 8X equals 3 times 44. So X equals 33 halves. More commonly, once you get more experience with the angle bisector theorem, you wouldn't need to do this cross multiplication thing. Usually, the way you do it would just be BD equals BC times AB over AB plus AC. And that gives it to you more directly. You're really just doing this. And so yeah, the answer is 33 over 2, and we are done.